Hello my friend, welcome to day 2 for the second day of Christmas. In today's video I am going to be playing with this palette by Morphe and it's called Seize the Present. And I'll go ahead and get started. So I've already swatched the eyeshadows and I could tell some of the shimmers are like eye toppers, and I felt that the mattes felt very creamy and soft. And so when you open the palette, it has this quote and I thought it was really cute. It says, "Your present is the ultimate present. XO Morphe." And this is what it looks like up close. Really beautiful neutral palette full of gold tones. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids with the Zoeva eye primer. For my brushes today, I am going to first use the Sigma E40, and then for my inner crease, I'm going to take the Sigma E25. So I'll go ahead and insert some music while I do the tutorial. I think adding some holiday music is always very festive, and it's always my favorite part when doing tutorials during the holidays. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so I am done using this palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish the look with the Estee Lauder lip gloss in the shade Plum Impulse. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really love the palette. Although the swatches weren't the best, especially the glitter finishes, on the eye it's very glittery and pigmented. I am not disappointed at this palette at all. It's very, very good. Okay, so now that we've finished for today's video, I want to go ahead and conclude with this. It says, "On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me the gift of joy. A heart filled with joy is more easily made perfect than one that is sad." Saint Philip Neri. And so for quotes, I found a couple of good ones. Joy is a net of love by which you can catch souls. Mother Teresa. Joy does not simply happen to us. We have to choose joy and keep choosing it every day. Henry J. M. Norwin. We cannot cure the world of sorrows, but we can choose to live in joy. Joseph Campbell. The joy we feel has little to do with the circumstances of our lives, and everything to do with the focus of our lives. Russell M. Nelson. It is not joy that makes us grateful. It is gratitude that makes us joyful. Anonymous. And lastly, joy is the happiness that doesn't depend on what happens. By Ali. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, may God bless always. Be safe. I love you. And I hope to see you on day 3 for tomorrow's video. Bye for now.